boy, I so remember the day my brother Bill came home with this album by Jethro Tull, Aqualung. Had to be around 1973. He played the album continuously. And a lot of you out there know that experience when someone gets a new album and that's all they do is play it. And I saw this, I heard this for the first time again, and I hadn't heard it in a long time. And a pretty interesting song. I'm going to do half of it because I'm not going to do after the riff. But I like the lyrics because it's typical Ian Anderson. And he has that very theatrical face when he sings it live. And he does it with an acoustic guitar. And I thought, maybe I can try that. Here is Jethro Tull, band Jethro Tull's Wind Up from, I think, 1973. When I was young and they packed me off to school and taught me how not to play the game, I didn't mind if they groomed me for success, or if they said that I was a fool. So I left there in the morning with a guard tucked underneath my arm, their half-assed smiles and their book of rules. So I asked God this question, and by way of firm reply, He said, I'm not the kind you have to wind up on Sunday. So to my old headmaster and to anyone who cares, before I'm through, I'd like to say my prayers. I don't believe you had the whole damn thing wrong. He's not the kind you have to wind up on Sunday. He's not the kind you have to wind up on Sunday.